Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix C drive keeps filling up automatically. You can use this trick for any kind of Windows operating system. Here I will show two common reasons of this problem. Hopefully it will help you and you can fix your problem. So don't skip this video. First, go to your C drive. I have already fixed this problem, so I will show you the trick. So open it, then go to Windows folder. And here go to software distribution folder. Here you will get a download folder. You have to delete this folder. I have already deleted it, so nothing show in this folder. But you will get a lot of files and folder in your download folder. So delete this folder. If your Windows automatically update, then this problem can be happen with you. So we have to stop auto update. And that's for go to Windows folder. And then go to System32 folder. And here find out services file. Double click on it. And now scroll down. And here click on Windows Update. And disable your Windows Auto Update. And then click on OK. Hopefully your problem will be fixed with this trick. But if you can't fix your problem with this trick, then don't worry. Go to your C drive. Here click on Organize. Then folder and search options. Here change to view. And here select show hidden files and folder. Then click on OK. Now go to your search option. And click on size, and here click on this last one. Then it will automatically scan your all big files in C drive, and you can easily delete them from here. So as you can see, this one unnecessary file for me, so I can delete it from here. Hopefully now you can fix your problem. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.